So we have Dexter. Dexter was 3D printed with PLA. Let me see. Okay, we have the body blue, rooftop red. It's not this red actually. Let me show you. I don't know why my camera picks so bright red. It should be kind of dark wine red. You got the idea. I just want to illustrate. So the whole body, it's blue. Front was painted with oil-based marker. Oil-based marker. It's just a prototype. So it's just a prototype. Just to let you know. Okay. So the face also painted gray, and I just add a little bit of black to the pupils and the eyebrows. Now I try to represent the hinges, the handles, door handles, bends, all the windows according to the show or the model shown on the videos or pictures. Well, actually I've seen a picture. I haven't seen the videos yet. But anyway, so this fits on Tomy or Hit Toy Company, Annie, and Plarail. Now, I wanted to hollow the windows and then add like a clear plastic sheet on the inside so I could make a mimic windows. But it's just a test, so let me know your opinion. We're still working on details. Now, front windows are hollow. I might try to recreate this the same way like these ones. But who knows? Like say, this is a prototype. I'm gonna try to showcase the whole video process, how to do it right. The graphics, I do have the graphics. I need to 3D. I need to print on clear, like a decal, so we can put the graphics in here. I have the graphics ready. So yeah, it will take 1 day. 1 week to make the whole process. But it took me 6 hours to redesign the whole body, especially for Dexter only. It is a new design. I already made those red coach branches, but this is a new design. Like I say, fits Trackmaster Tomy model chassis from Annie and Plarail. So the one you see in here, Mattel, I don't recommend you Mattel. I haven't tried, but Mattel does have some screw housings right above the wheels. There are two. Actually, so I haven't made that design for this, but actually these are for Hit Toy and Tomy models. Now, if some of you, because not everybody likes, but if some of you are interested, I could make a small run of these models, but it will be just the body. The whole body blue. I will not paint this. I don't have time to paint. But, it's just for a few people who wants to make the customs. Face will be plain like so. I don't like to paint the faces. They're different tasted, and actually been thinking I just have to probably could just 3D print gray the whole thing, and people interested could just paint the whole different shade, because not everybody likes the same shade you see on videos, or when you get the product, or when you're watching the model on a screen, it's a different shade, and then you have to do your own painting. But like I say, it's up to if someone asks me, it's just for a few people. It's just a small run, but I will showcase you the whole video how to do the thing, and that will be for the next week. But what do you think about this model so far?